Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our brand new 2022 Harris 210 Cruiser. Beautiful boat here, got a beautiful gray exterior, nice big bimini top. As we walk to the stern, this does have an extended swim platform, and it is powered by a 115 Mercury outboard. Let's go inside and check out the interior of this boat. Welcome inside this 2022 210 Cruiser by Harris. As we look back here in the stern, plenty of seating. We do have a ski tow bar here and safety railings so that you can ride underway as you're on the water. Plenty of storage on the boat. Big area underneath. And also we have a draining cooler here. As you walk in, nice entryway into the boat. This does have the moonlight gray interior and the stone seagrass flooring. Up at the helm, nice captain's chair here. This is powered by Clarion Audio. We've got the Lowrance depth finder, standard tacks, and you've got some ports here to charge your phone or blow up some of those tubes here for the water. Up in the bow, nice area here to hang out with your friends and family. Storage under all the seats. This is located at our store in Rogers. Feel free to walk in, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to show you around. Thanks.